Hello everyone, welcome back to Lesson 2 of our Adobe Illustrator course. In this lesson, we will get familiar with the Illustrator workspace. At the top of the screen, you will see the menu bar, which includes options like File, Edit, Object, Type, and Window. On the left side, there is the toolbar, where all the main design tools are located, such as the Selection tool, Pen tool, Shape tool, and Type tool. In the center, you will find the Artboard. This is the main area where you create your designs like logos, posters, and social media posts. On the right side, you will see different panels like Layers, Properties, and Color. The Layers panel helps organize your design elements, while the Properties panel shows quick settings for the selected object. You can also adjust fill and stroke colors easily from the color options. Understanding the workspace is the first step to becoming confident in Adobe Illustrator. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.